out today. If you're new here, how are you? Please make sure you subscribe and consider joining the family. If you're not new here, thanks so much for all your love and support. Definitely appreciate it. So I have not done a video, vlog, whatever in such a long time, and I have all these aspirations to like do Vlogtober and just do all this stuff, and it just never happened. So I did do a video like a month ago, and I was gonna be talking about like why I went vegan. Yeah, so that little phase in my life. However, I've done veganism before, but this recent phase has kind of dwindled down. I'll kind of get into more why. I don't know if it'll be in this video, but I will definitely get into more why. But yeah, love you guys. Thank you guys for checking out my video today. And if you want to see kind of what I've been up to this last week, please stay tuned. See you guys. Still got it. Kick it. Got it? You got it. You got it, dude. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Be careful. We are about to find out the gender of our second child.
I mean, this is all me. I'm super excited.
Yeah, this is all him again.
And just for the record, I've been doing yard work all day. That's why I look like a scumbag.
Right, and so we have little E here. Say hi. Okay, so we're gonna let Michael do the honors.
Do I get to do it?
Oh, don't even act like you didn't just ask. Brown.
We about to have a mother, baby. Try not to make me.
It's recording while you're saying all this.
I know. I'm being focused.
Oh boy.
Alright. So, I don't know what any of that means. Don't we hold it like this?
No, but they can't see the baby.
Then why did I get this? Why did you do that? I don't know. Are you doing it?
No, just hold it.
I don't want to hold it.
Okay, are you scared?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You have it on both of us. Okay, here we go.
Listen.
I'm a little scared too, actually. Guys, and good morning. So I'm just tidying up a little bit. I normally clean the kitchen in the morning, try to get it out of the way before I get my day started. So just doing that now. I honestly don't know what day it is. I just know it's the next day. So I don't know what this day has in store for me, but hopefully you guys will stay along for the ride. All right, y'all, so I'm home from dropping Eli off, arguing with my brother in HEB parking lot, and then I went to HEB. So I came home and tried to like clean up a little bit, but I'm tired because I have to go to work at 3:30. So I always just try to do as much as I can before I go to work. But here's some of the things I bought. These are like Amazon orders. So I got like bagels. I looked for the wheat ones, they didn't have it. And then I got tomatoes and this apple cider vinegar drink. It says it's really good for upset stomach. Better than soda because it's sparkling. Cucumbers, watermelon, dragon fruit, which is really good. Honeycrisp apples. And this pear that apparently went bad on the way home. And then I got some wheat English bagels or English muffins, pancake mix, and some more apples and stuff. So yeah. And then it's another Amazon order for my kid. So yeah. I also wanted to show you guys some of the things that I'm using for fall because I am really into fall, but I just feel like my life doesn't really allow me to like be all into fall like I want to be and like do videos and stuff. But anywho, I have been using the Myers Clean Day. This is the acorn scent. It smells amazing. And then I bought this one. I think this is kind of a Christmas scent, but it's Snowdrop. Smells freaking amazing. So I just like clean the counters, like disinfect them, and then I go over it with that just to add a really nice fragrance in the house. So if you're interested in like having fall smells in your house, those really help. And they're like $4 each, so. Anyway, I'm about to grab my water and go have a seat on the couch. Got some new pictures back there. I don't really like them that much. I feel like they don't go with this red very well. But maybe I'll show you guys the living room. I feel like the living room has totally like a fall vibe now. It's like red, white, and brown. So like autumn, fall colors, whatever. But I'll show you guys the living room when it's a little more decent. But yeah, I have to go to work at 3:30. So I'm thinking about taking a nap, and I might do that. I am in school. I should be doing schoolwork, but I'm a little bit tired right now. So I'm gonna take a break and probably watch some TV. So I will check in with you guys. Thank you. Thank you. All right, y'all, so Eli and I just left church with my brother and my sister-in-law, and I came and I got a Starbucks. I haven't really been drinking a lot of coffee, but I decided I would come get one, and lo and behold, they do not have any pumpkin spice at all. They don't even have toffee nut. Like, I literally had a mental breakdown in the drive-thru, and the girl was like, I understand. She's like, I'm about to chop somebody up for some raspberry. We don't even have raspberry. I'm like, oh my God. So I just got a caramel macchiato latte. I don't even know if that's gonna be good, but my lips are ashy, so I'll see y'all when I get back home. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys the final result of me doing my makeup earlier. Doing my makeup because we were going out on a date night with this person sitting next to me who does not want to be in the video, my husband. So yeah, but yeah, we're going out to eat. We're gonna go to a movie, have a little midweek date night. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.